Anybody who works with air conditioning refrigerants, handling, storing, or vehicle servicing needs to be certified. Recently, the Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Institute of Canada, HRAI, in conjunction with Environment Canada, has updated the CFC, HCFC, HFC control in the refrigeration and air conditioning industry training program. The code of practice, which the course is based on, has been revised, resulting in this updated course. The new course, titled Canada's Ozone Layer Protection Awareness Program, provides the certification required to purchase and handle refrigerants across Canada. Cars OnDemand participants have the option to take this regulatory training right in the shop through live broadcasts. This certification course is delivered via Cars OnDemand and is hosted by a live instructor at scheduled sessions, allowing participants to phone in with questions during the broadcast. Students receive training over 2 modules of lessons to write the government's certification exams, without needing to leave the shop for training days. In-shop AC certification training is just one of the many benefits available to subscribers at carsondemand.com.